Yeah, exactly. We will have to do a certain amount of meeting it on the demand side as well.
Yeah.
And so, that can sound like really rather a large compromise to people because you think, what are you saying that, on Sunday I don't get to heat my water because it's a low wind day or something? And it's not really that at all. It's more like rather than say, a lot of houses in Ireland, if you're heating hot water with an immersion, you just have a switch and you turn it on and off
Yeah.
manually. Lots of people are still doing
Yeah,
that.
I do.
So
Yeah.
rather than the compromise being you don't get to turn your switch on at all, it's that you'll have a device in your home in the future that'll use it when it's there sensibly. And it'll do it for you. We'll have to put in the infrastructure to do that.